Okay. Yeah, my name is Satyamurthy. Basically, I am from Goa, and this is my second trip to Sanjivani Dental Clinic. Earlier, I had been here. 1.5 years before when my tooth was, having fungal infections. Then doctor suggested me to remove the tooth and all. So I had a bad experience in Goa. So when I had a previous, toothache, that time they had removed, and the day after day also, I felt, more pain. Here I removed this tooth. Within half an hour, I didn't get any pain and etc. So that day onwards, I have decided if I have any dental issues and all, definitely I would like to go to Sanjivani and all. Accordingly, next time, I was having some toothache problem. So doctor suggested me. I was planning to remove the tooth, in fact. But doctor suggested, no, why don't you go for removing your tooth and all. So just go for this one, root canal and all. So that many long years it will come up. So he suggested, I appreciated, and accordingly I have done. So now it is okay, I'm perfectly all right with this. So any other further suggestions, whatever he says, I will go accordingly. The system, one thing I have noticed here is the appointment and the follow. So I would like to appreciate the systems is to be continued regularly, and so that it will be happy for the other patients or whoever it is. Thanks to the entire team and doctors.